Hello amazing traders, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can trade using Chatgpt and personally how I do my own analysis using Chatgpt. By the way, if you're new on this channel, please do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and also share this video so we can continue to grow the family together. You all know on this channel, I drop original content, no copy and paste, everything just as it is. So without saying much, let's get into the video. So now you can see on my screen, this is a chart for Euro GBP, and I don't want to do anything unless I consult ChatGPT. I don't want to trade this market as if I'm a complete beginner. Now, if you look at this chart carefully, you can see that Euro GBP hasn't actually been going anywhere. It has just been ranging at that level, which you can see clearly. Now, in the past, you see what we've been doing. It's been moving at this point. It has been moving sideways, and then we broke to the upside. At this point, you can just like you can see, it's been moving sideways. Then at this point, we broke to the upside. We broke out of the range, and then we retested this demand, which you can see clearly, and then we continued the move up, which you can see all the way to this swing high at this point. So this swing high got taken out. Okay, so ever since this swing high got taken out, we've been in this range, which is just like the previous range which we broke out. So you can see we're now back in another range. So I'm expecting a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. We have demand levels here which price could likely breakouts, retest, and then we go up. We have another demand area right here which price could come, interact with, and then break to the up level. But right now, the most important thing is that we are in a range for Euro GBP. So just to confirm that we are on the right track, we just go to ChatGPT, chatgpt.com. We're all familiar with this website, so you can see what I asked ChatGPT. Should I buy Euro GBP now or sell it? So you can use ChatGPT as your personal consultant. So anytime you're trading the market, any questions you have, whatever you want to do, just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, where is the nearest demand zone? ChatGPT, where is the nearest supply zone? ChatGPT, where is the nearest resistance? Where is the nearest support? Should I buy now? Should I not buy? What is your bias? What is the fundamental bias for Euro JPY? What's the fundamental bias for USD JPY? Now, I use ChatGPT to trade the CPI that was released Wednesday or Thursday. I use ChatGPT to trade that because I asked ChatGPT, what is the correlation of CPI results and NFP? And ChatGPT was trying to give me a foresight of what the direction of the market would be. And with that correlation, I was all prepared for the gold buys that happened when CPI was released, and I made some money. So that is why I'm making this video, so you can also benefit from this. So clearly you can see that we've been ranging. So we are not going to take any trades since the market has not given us a particular direction, except we just want to trade the range, which is typically buying support and then selling up there at a resistance. But personally, I don't really enjoy trading range markets. I would prefer the market breaks to one direction before I can take the trade. Imagine what happened in this other range. Imagine you see this range. So we buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and the sellers will be expecting it to come back to the bottom of the range. But you see what happened here, we broke out of the range. So I don't want similar thing to happen here, so I don't try to play along in the range. I want price to break out forcefully from it onto the upside or downside, and then retest a demand level, and then I'll now know where to position my orders. So going to ChatGPT to ask if I should buy or sell. You see what ChatGPT is telling me? Euro JPY is now trading in a tight range. Can you see what ChatGPT is saying? Which is exactly what we just saw on the chart. So any question you have at all to ask ChatGPT, use ChatGPT as your best friend from today. And so after watching this video, use ChatGPT as your best friend whenever you're trading. Whatever worries you have, if you can identify a strong demand zone, a weak resistance area, whatever, just key into ChatGPT and it will help you out. You can see there's a tight range around this level 650, 660. So let's come see on our chart. You can see this is 660. This levels 6. What levels was that? 650, 660. Okay, so this is the current trading range which ChatGPT is identifying. this current where the candles are all open, this range right now. This is the range which ChatGPT is looking at, but we're looking at the overall range of the market, because this could break up to this level resistance and then come back, and then we still continue our support resistance, support resistance, support resistance kind of movement. So ChatGPT is guiding us that we're trading in that range, so that you should buy or sell depends on your trading style. Either you want to scalp, swing, or long term and risk tolerance. Here's a neutral breakdown, not financial advice, just market context. So ChatGPT will look at everything, the technical and the fundamentals regarding this EuroJP, and then give us a good analysis. So you just have to read along everything ChatGPT will be saying here, and then from there you can know what to do. So buying EuroJPY is if price breaks above 0.87. Can you remember what I said, guys? We have to wait for price to break above this level. This is exactly the level ChatGPT is saying we should wait. So we want to see something like a break and a retest of this level, and then we buy. And that is exactly what ChatGPT is saying right now, guys. Exactly what ChatGPT is saying. So we have to wait for a break above this level. And if we're selling, we have to wait for price to break below 0.8620, which you can see clearly is a break below these levels. A break below these levels. So we want to see something like this. I want price to come break below, and then just like ChatGPT said, we're buying along 0.6. So I want to see a retest of this level, and we'll now continue the sell probably down to this demand area. Now ChatGPT will not know exactly what NFP result will be, but it will start giving you ideas and why it is giving those ideas. So with those ideas, you will now know how to start correlating. It will be because of the result of this and that, because of past correlations or something. But I'm just making an example so you know that with ChatGPT you can do a whole lot of things. So you can see I can't predict the future, just like what I was trying to say. NFP in October is the future. ChatGPT basically can't do that, but it can now give you data range suggestions and all of that. Now with the NFP results, you could now you will now be able to suggest CPI results. So you can now ask ChatGPT, what will CPI results be if NFP was negative for the US dollar? So with this correlation, ChatGPT will now give you some answers which will now guide you to take your trades. NFP results come out first before CPI. So if with this now, you will now know what to do. You can see why a negative NFP tends to push CPI lower. Demand channel, fewer jobs equals lower incomes and weaker consumer spending, less demand pull, inflation. Which channel? So you will just have to read all of these, understand this carefully, and then know what to do with your trade, and then know which side to anticipate the market to come out from. So the fundamental news don't really come out like a surprise to you. So you now see that with ChatGPT, both the technical, the fundamental, the sentimental, all aspects of trading is all covered. I have been using this for quite some time, and I thought it was really nice to bring it to my audience so you can also make good use of ChatGPT while trading. This video, I took time to make it quite informative and educative. So just as a way of saying thank you, please smash the like button, share this video, and then subscribe to the channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.